from Kumi Kasa, Emrason, yet the max morning, the Jumedia, Brofis, Emra could say, and a pan on Cromabone, I saw this on the sports park, Jumediana to us where the amount. Ayana, Yabani say, ya Brabomun Como, Yasitinamun Como, and they and Coma Hodoa, a baby primo or Maimu, and they are not Yabasiana, Yamawason ete. Tibomodi asa Bajabrania Daje, na Wakan Hokusi say, and a pan on Cromabona. And come out about or maimu any asitinum communina no yenfa ensumo asidan come production team DJ Holly the beautiful green around the cow yen producer your friend Mr. Bobby abusuafo we nyina eboa ma here the max morning the Jumadi ebro and the Jumadi say na tell ye be share hunkran we are na fe come out hodo abepie mu e wo maimu ye de beto aso de amount birthday wishes ahodo ye de beba. And then no, yene yenya ba kubi ebe kasa na ya twetwe komadi afa diabetes ya de ho asikyire ya de na deba anu achi ye be kokrom ya kohwe ne ma hodo e wodwa so anopai ye wi na fei ya de street vibe jumadi na to aso de ama enkomo ba ko so hye kyire ho ye wi a ana kwam bia so yene Nana Bafu Betchin Como entertainment industry near Beshem Coma Hodo Wumu. We are now yet the Yang People's Parliament of Fano Atwas Wediama Yabama Hoka Bemu Adventure Nim de Biano Yabaji O Jumediano. So before that, baby, I do Yansha Hunkran pay Yankwa Hamana Sona and Reverend Sarah Dance Retchin Como and Nano pay in crashes Reverend and Farmer Reverend Rapoti and Kayamo Ache Emo by the Bamax 89.7 Yaji pass on a pair of Ho.
Radia do Yahoya papa, many of them are Migris Bia, so Ehoye, in a tear for you now, a no paying.
A when Uncle Pardom, Oti and Caddy now, or they were Hopa.
Radia, papa.
Reverend Anopaya does a say a fraud now, 1 year, so your best say, and come in more day, more ham, a bessie and crying, you may be a yedi, your kais has some pet, a boy, mighty me con a queen, manopay, yet.
Me that's a papa, and I'll pay Ghana for my Ghana. The money paying and I'll pay a church will be a day in say, a year master some dear. Nipa domino and it's here. Shall pay Obi our tea and I feed the cases so I didn't know. Now, many of them are only our summer and then a summer. Medema Ghana for you know, and chia. So, but Yahunia. Anopa ewia nyimre ye wo bi wo ho a won te nanim won chia obi wo ha pa anopa yi na wo pia firi dem okwan a ofoforo be hia no atia no kekekura tumi sane yare etumi ma no ho esane no anopa yi ubasafo asra wo bi atia no wo de anigye sonko beje wo so e bia na ohaw bi eda no so saa mre no Sabre no a wochi ano ano na ni aba no so obi asede mu sabre o te compound house pa sanke betumi a anka eye ni neighbor enye de enabo ne foro keke yare bi achi na se ho nanka wo musana se anu na tumi ma emere bebre be he so bu ha wo yare wo wu adadam afi obi a ma obi anka to obi a ho Anopai Ghana brabo and Crababo, Kumasi Brabo, oh sorry, you'll be a one at Jumaso. Now, what tenants now once and come back 3 days, what you have become a thing. Many of them are anxious idea, you broke a see. Now, so anybody brave, Philip Big sale, but for no baby and Alumpo, Atia, a year and young corn and in here. Anopai Ghana for. Then I was someone saying now your home cry say. So what's around a plan? You really to see with Busana say, Tiano. We can be now one who on crowds to say what to find. One to me, I want to put on, she said, Many are some or what and I when every was a demo and put or yare. And one was out of paying a little whole I found so I just say him custom yedi. Or be a 50 pound. Now, so then I want you mean one who that. Every I know them. I feel now will be unfair. No, I mean, so why are so busy? But so many now, what you are, I won't be sad. I say, and she, I did be a whip me up, papa. na de nkitahudi sonko bi de ba nipa entamu anopai ya sori akoya adwuma so anyimra akoduru fie a medofo a wotie no anopai nya woni ne tifie no bo no pro na tia no wan na enfa ayen nkitahudi kase anyonkofa kase emra montam empo ukura woni na ti nipa bebre ho a osori a no osori okọ oba akọ be makọ amofra ni na ya hwe watiri koi ya de adwuma ni na amanani anopai mesrawo busawo mana se uba akwara na dade na so kona kohwe se amofra no wona motebia mu etesei sia wonia na wonia so tia wo pakoma pagye ne so na ene na bebu wo ho se ene ne tia ma me ni so onye bia na wo yare oni obi tifie wo yare bosome ba ko bosome ni enu wo mi sa na se da eso sa nipa no ene wo firi mu wo se me wo na to wo fie ho a me na be ma sa asem a me kan yade a esi eba ye ni mu ekofo edi aka ho asem enhia yade bi a eye pa eni ti gane ni a wuti be no pa me dofo me ni adofo a wuti be no pa wo ni atia no ne wo ne ta de odwo mo bisa na se ne wo ne wo adwuma mo bisa na se o ho bi o do hunu na enu na ma ye gana fo ne da dance ma ye hu se ye gana fo entia aka ho anopai wadi sira obi bia ma se pam ye tiefo anopai ye da ma se mu tie fidie kase na men kan ho obi bia wo ne be di hie mo anopai no tia no na erade be sira wo na wa ye kase ya me sira mo nyina me na be ma me da wase anopai akwanya kase o de ma me da se pa
Reverend Sarah Danso adopa yeda se ene wafutusem yeda se pa ye hye obon so se ye de bedi dwuma e o ye ndada se trema no pa yeda se ene wafutu nti ye ne Reverend Sarah Danso ena atwetwe nkomo no chirim se ye nuanom ne ye busuafo ye na ye ne omatifie ye momode ansa no pa bia ye sode a ibechi omo obi ne obi atena fie afe ba ko afe mienu me na me catch us nipa no kronim ni dinda anya hwe kra no eda ne be haye ya me bonkomo ya me fanamfo nti ende nipa no nka chese onkasa ne hoda ne din kro onim besi ne obi ni obi atena fie 5 years 3 years onim nipa ne din enti enne futu sem wo ye momode ansa de bedi dwuma ade ba ko eya pa ne se onkofia kwohwehwe obi na udu fie wanchi abekọ na nipa na eni ho wabọ ne pomomie wa friend phones on fa afei na wasa umra chiri na onsan mechia eho na obeto samia ye momode anse ye bechia e o ye dada setina memfa unsa ye nim nipa na na se ye nim no ene ne afutu na no pa Reverend Sarah Danso e de ma ye momode anse ye betu eho anama no pa Reverend ye dase ene wafutu sem yenkoya ni na enkoma hodo aka akire nyina ne yemfa nto aso ma emra so se enkoma hodo a aba bepie mu omamu ye be ma waso ate enti bobode asa obeje bre ne adaje na obekan ho na yemboa na enkoma hodo a abepie mu omamu ye be ma waso ate yeda se ode wafidie na to Max Morning do live on Max 89.7 ye frame kumi kasa eba kope
Kofi, oh my, ya woman, oh man, ya mama, any baby, I call, watch out, ya warren, one some, one in your pa, as I did pa of you, ya my ember, oh my, ya woman, oh my. Asam paetia obanyansa foso wo bunubia wonka na asam te mafutu sam kakre wa asopeme.
All right, yanku ani na enkoma hodo anano pai aba bepie mu omai mu yemfa nto aso emfa emao enti yanku na yembisa bu ebedi aden yanku na yembisa busuafo ne sa no pai mu hotesan na madidi mamcha no pai mu hotesan
nyame adom etenkwa mu nyame adom
enya na nyame ya mama no pai ntia nyame adom
me say kumide bia me kama sem say and train say radin bibi ma wansa na wada na say everything every day what I say is that as long as you have the gift of life, it's more than enough to be thankful to God. And you'll be an awanya ni say you. Obi sorry na or our honden to say how I mean one honde amita mano kati say. They say or you okay. Or kwada na jono na or you okay but anopawi opejana mo wo mpemo enye yi. You say me menya ni sana me metimi huri koba up and down like I have to be thankful to God. I need not to get something before Makase radia e bibi strong kwa ma maintain danas. En kwa mpono is more than enough.
En kwa ne hia
wo nkwa wade nyina.
Sanyo mo ateda.
En
to na me he.
Baby and anopoint the voice na enye.
Ya ma udi dokuno.
Baby aha, on time nya ndi dokuno na ye ntim. Anopoint the minti member to njom. But I me dokuno de working or channel pa me dokuno na
boy. En kwa ne hia me prepare. When the boy.
Mekaya because me say me did you not me pese me answer any question what you say. I don't know who person unlock me with that aspect sir.
Na lock we yi.
Unti me lock him.
The beautiful green net to say na pay.
Bruno and do papa catch say papa no say for the honorable bibi.
Just sense no just
I say your friend Bruno into henceforth. Ya gazette di na
one. No say just sense you.
Obi din a eho hia ne pa na wo ye ne sa.
Obo na anyhow no.
Ozi
Tressing.
Ah boy. What you make here?
Na me betwe nyasa sembe na basua da.
What you make for DVD na 24 hours?
Me de koda e.
O le be na o man na.
Ne din ma chro e den.
The trust A.
Grino ha ho.
Me hu ka.
Empe ho asem.
Me hu ka. The trusting.
Good.
Musu bi say ye, I don't say.
Good.
I don't hear the boy. Minti minka.
Again.
Minti minka. Me nyame adom eja. Zem ka say na wotwe mo ahode nhede ne ho bateja.
Na Grino no sa wonde nhede na me maintenance o. Grino, we can no call him.
Forget it.
Asembeba.
Uko baby na ayale.
Na wo say ni mu de uko baby na ayale. Enta na me bi sa odo.
No dia me kwaye na so se ne be white time me bubure bubure.
Asema na me say wo uko baby a wo say.
Osisi nejai. Uko ba yo disisi ya de na ba yo.
Enta na DJ Oli o say are free. Ya oni mu ka, oni mu jo no.
2 days not na see you.
Esa no na mhoza.
Sikani de obedi o ba me double samu be daji. Be sikani. Ba mo say
ne kura de say.
Come by 2 days we sisi.
Kumi.
Ba ya fidie. Ahodi no sisi na ye kakra.
I see my in.
Me yam na ye me.
I see my in.
Sisi ade me yam na ye me ya. Why?
Na je say.
Me yam na ye ya.
Account so no.
Akama kuma. Makuma na aka. Ya bezo. Wadi. What I just obi o be se. Obi ya funu ya ne ya na wanso ne ye manfe ne se amumu hu ohu. Wadi nyame te wo hwe mu nyina.
Yenko ani mo enkoma hodo anana pa ba be pie mo mamu yenfa matiefo ne yenko ani.
A very good morning to our cherished listeners as always. Today being the 19th of November 2025. Just say 11 solid days, 11 good days. Now, in November, our baby, and then we know that and so 11 days, in November, it's our prayer and hope that whatever thing that we are hoping for, no, in Sabeka. Now, as always, we bring you the latest news headlines to get you updated on everything happening around the world. Yes, because the world, because we add international news as well. So we are going straight into our general news for this morning. Elwak stampede, 2 victims still in intensive care. Daily Graphic.
Daily Graphic ena ebo samani ya. Watch say Elwak stampede. Anase nipa ekobo dompem ewo Elwak ani nyina ne say asrafo recruitment anase wo fa nipa aba asraku no ma ekwowi akire edi oye ne baaye ne sesei enipa mu a won ho kaaye emu mienu na sesei woje ayare ho wo dendenden so pa wonum ekire se emu odin yi a Daily Graphic nso enye bi edi abrain.
This is coming from the Interior Minister Muntaka. He says 628 robberies, 340 murders recorded as of July 2025. City Newsroom.
Oswafo a wɔhwɛ Bible ho ensɛm so na nei wɔde wei nyina atudwa a wɔkyerɛ sɛ adeɛ sɛ efiri bosome July mu ebesi saa brei enipa mako ahansia aduowɔtwe 628 a wɔnom yɛ akrɔmfowramfo ɛna ebiemu nso so awudie sɛm a ɛkɔɔ so ɛwɔ saa bosome July no amfimpinu ani adonunum 2025 no ɛno nso so yɛ ahasa aduanan 340 a sese wɔnom ɛkyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ cases ahodoɔ no a wɔnom a record anase wɔn ahyɛ ne nso ɛdi agu asat mfimpinu ani adonum bosome July emu. City Newsroom ɛna di wei ɛba.
Away from that, Gender Ministry condemns assault on woman, calls for swift justice. Joy News.
Joy News nso ɛna di wei ɛba asoɛyɛ a wɔnom ɛhwɛ ɛyɛ nipa ho ensɛm so titiru ɛmɛma ɛne mmɔfra ɛna ɛnɛyi wɔde atodwa wɔkyerɛ sɛ adeɛ sɛ ɛyɛ abɔnefosɛm paa sɛ bɛba sɛ wobi ɛbɛtete ɔbaa bi anaasɛ wobi ɛbɛbɔ mmɔden ayɛ ɔbaa bi ayakayaka de a ɛsɛsɛ saa deɛ no mpanimfoɔ ɛde mmara gu akwan mu didindin so yie paa na yɛtim de oni no ɛfa mmara kwan so. Joy News ɛna de wei ɛba.
Moving to the western region, Bonsa water treatment plant shuts down over Galamsey-induced siltation. City Newsroom.
City Newsroom ɛna egusu a wɔnom nso ɛka wei ukopie mu ɛwɔ Bonsa wɔnom ɛyɛ water plant a ɛwɔ hɔ nom sese abeto dwa sɛ mpanimfoɔ atomu a ne nyina ne sɛ wɔnom ɛyɛ nsiesie ɛnam Galamsey ho nsɛnsɛm a atɔ ape ɛwɔ ɔman Ghana mu ama ɛyɛ plant no asɛ yie paa ensuo entumi enyina so ne naso ɛwɔ ɛyɛ ekurom hɔ.
Back to the Greater Accra region, teacher on bill over recruitment scam. Joy News.
Joy News ɛna ɔno nso ɔka wei a wɔkyerɛ sɛ wɔkyerɛkyerɛfoɔ bi a wobɛpie mu ɛwɔ nkranhaya ama Saman Circuit Court ɛna ama ne bill ne nyinaa ɛne sɛ kwadu a yɛde abɔ no ɛne sɛ wafa apuo kwan so anaasɛ wabɔ obi apuo a ne nyinaa ne sɛ wɔbɛsɛ ɔse wɔbɛhwɛ na wɔma nipa ne yafa no ɛwɔ adwuma bi mu ya ɛkɔwi akyi ne nyinaa ɛkɔyɛ nada.
4 arrested over murder of distilled chief. Daily Graphic.
Daily Graphic nso ɛna ɛka wei a wɔkyerɛ sɛ wɔhimpɔn bi a yɛto no afiri adeɛ so abeto dwa sɛ enipa bi akum no a sesei aposifoɔ ɛde ɛyɛ nhyehyɛyɛ gu akom yɛakyere enipa nan a wɔnom ɛde saa so bue abɔ wɔn.
So our last story on the general news: firefighters rescue 16 after collision on Sunyani Kumasi Highway. Daily Graphic.
Daily Graphic kyerɛ sɛ odumja adwuma yɛkuo no ɛbɔ mmɔden agye nipa mako dunsia nkwa ne nyinaa ɛne sɛ egya bi a ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ Kumasi Sunyani kwantempɔn no so enka ɛyɛ ha adwe yie pa wɔn ekopie hɔ a yɛgye sɛ nipa. Daily Graphic ɛna ɛbɔ samanie.
To our business news for today, CD at 60. President Mahama pledges to allow Bank of Ghana operate independently. Joy Business.
Joy Business ɛna ɛka we a wɔkyerɛ sɛ wobɛpie mu ɛwɔ yɛn ɔman Ghana mu a yɛn sika yɛdi ya ɛyɛ CD no ɛyɛ adeɛ sɛ ɛnya emfie no mako ana wobɛsɛ pole aduosia na kyese hure ya enei enam so ama owura John Dramani Mahama ya oye Ghana mampani edi atudwa se sesei obomodin se wobeye bibibiada sede ebeye a yensika kuoba tanya ewo oman Ghana mu oman mu no wono so atumi agina aye adwuma ewo won ankasa wompem.
To our second story on the business news, cocoa smuggling costs Ghana over $1 billion US dollars in 3 years. City Newsroom.
City Newsroom ɛna ɛka wei a wɔkyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ adeɛ sɛ enipa a wɔnom smuggle cocoa anaasɛ wɔfa kwati kwan so aban no atikɔ ɛde cocoa efiri wɔ man Ghana mu ɛkɔ aman foforɔ so ɛkɔtɔn no wɔnom ɛkeka bɔ mu no mfie mmiɛnsa a kyɛ sɛ ɛtwa mu kɔi ni ɛyɛ adeɛ sɛ sese aban no ahwere anaasɛ ɔman no ahwere sika botene $1 billion a ɛnyɛ sika ketewa koraa. City Newsroom ɛna ɛka wei.
Away from the business news to the international news, U.S. Gaza ceasefire plan approved by UN Security Council. Africa News.
Africa News nso ɛna di wei aba wɔkyerɛ sɛ US ɛne ɛyɛ Gaza ɛna sisi a wɔbɔ mmɔden a ɛde nhyehyɛeɛ gu akwam sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a asomdue ɛbɛtumi apie mu ɛwɔ ɔman Gaza mu a wei sɛ United Nations Security Council ɛna ɛde atodwa.
And to our last story on the foreign front, DR Congo extends ban on mineral trade in war hits east by 6 months.
DR Congo ya empempi no ye boni din se Dr. Congo ena nei aba betodwa se wonom efom agudie tuo ehu dwadie no wonom abomodin a sese watwe niema bi asensen ni nyina eye entokwa nketenkete bi a apie mu ewo wonom akache konom a enam so amasa niema we akoso a sese busumi nsia eda wonom anim no womodi atodwa se wonom atusa eye efom agudie ho nsensem no ene sa edwadie no asensen.
So, Grino, these are the stories we have this morning that we brought to our cherished listeners. I know that you've been prepped or briefed about the current issues surrounding the country and the world at large. But going into it for today, one story for discussion. Meka say their teacher no you're going to need bill no. How all your recruitments come. Now, remember the story I don't know how to put it. Miss Reyes. So we the one sana why you lose na teacher as na teacher dey like recruitment immigration recruitment and so this happened last year January 2024 oka chere nkofo bi mu say teacher phone mu abi say I just say akwenya ewo Ghana Immigration Service any Ghana National Fire Service into woman is kana obe bo mu na amunya eno na enam so na each individual, so the people who were interested in the thing, we are 19 people, and each person, we are 150,000 Ghana cedis. It's calculated 150,000 by 19. And yes, I no more money bank account and this kind of too. I'm sure
15,000.
150,000. 150,000 Ghana cedis. 150,000 Ghana cedis.
That's 1.5 billion.
Yeah.
Billion.
Yeah.
Ghana
Immigration, any Ghana National Fire Service.
1.5
I can't be back on for your business.
Ya tam dia mano. Afi amuchi na no say. Nipa ba ko 150. 150,000. And now we are in Kofo 19.
And I say why ye?
And I say 19.
Yes, in Kofo 19. I must say the complainant shared the information with family and friends and gathered 19 interested individuals who collectively paid 150,000, which was forwarded to the accused person. Amuchi askani we amusho shapa pay ya. Shena yehu na ejuma na so eba.
Ngom go hu ne.
Okopie wa amasamai. Onankasa ti Jamestown ho baby. Ba yes anu okopie wa amasamai.
Emi say amasamai na di. Amasamai na
ba onankasa no Jamestown no ye ejuma. Jamestown no tie ba asem no ko ba ye no. Ana so anaju so odwane. Eno okopie no.
Na wa ba bia amasamai.
Amasamai.
Ano ni so okodu obeda ne samai.
Guido no akasem no.
And I'm fat. What you got on this samai?
It didn't just 100,000 bill that you're granted the boy small. And you see, in as much as like I say, in a make as a teacher then a recruitment but again, some people maybe someone will say, teacher didn't just ask Karamano. Oh no, on yasa ejubani bianango ogusu tirari. Not to say that education service ni but we know that looking at the stampede they see a number of people.
My mention what dear. Only obia or you're vulnerable.
Me patch me bow.
Okay.
I think sir Nipa 19 ni nyina no musika ne
yes.
Oh, okay, let me get a correction.
I thought as much.
Nipa
Okay. So yes, sorry for the 150,000.
Yes. I thought as much. Kumi pato metimi bam.
Brim why?
I say Irene de na make no. Unu obi a oye vulnerable.
Edele.
Ya de a wo ho aya ahwe nipa no. Ohu say obi ye vulnerable most of times nipa na depressed.
Yeah.
And obi o depressed bia so it's likely for the person to be vulnerable and not to become vulnerable. The tie nie. Nipa no e wo pepa. Say o pese owura adwuma bi mu. Entin asa that time no ne wure ene na kuma nyina ne focus nyina e wo kwan obefa so a obewura adwuma ni mu na obenya sa adwuma no. Enti no se wo ka kire ne say onko ya something weird to get and not to secure adwuma no for say nipa na no doubt obeye. In as much as say e bi nipa no baby ofin so owo no e yo okay ana enyo okay obeye because na kuma so ade any baby a opere e hwehwe no anything ekoba ne sa ade bi a wo be request bia
obenya
nipa ne be o sa be ka firi nipa no no anything entimi nkoba se e bi obi ye teacher ni wusu because of your oye teacher ni nti no ontimi nya ade we mu kwan na adwuma mu we mu kwan e ma me obi ni baby obi mu obi firi aba but but there was ye hu ne say ye any kwan se ye fa situation bi so e take advantage e wo nipa abrabo mu akwanya no unni so de be ma nipa no a enkodaada no and dada no ana se emfa opposition bi enkopopo wani ana se enko haha wani nche nipa no mu ne nsa mfa na chi enchim ne nsa nyini sika saa de no kuye mu bebre enu bi na Steven Amoa ene ne yonko ayi de ekosi a bright yawe awe we say yawe ni die me say de yawe
awe the name is God is innocent what
me ka say one na me ka say nyamu
God is innocent
wahu eni kwan se muma ye saa de because saa de no ekumye mu bebre obi betimi atietie ni bowure mu anya sika kakra because se eje opesa daache na brabo si ni yie nti o se me pa adwuma mu kwan se mu kwan no obi
follow the right procedure also sometimes also be backdoor sika ube suya no you end up paying more than what you should have paid if you follow the right
sister ya nka no kure ne nkyere ho ye nim no kure no say empo adwuma bi wo ho no ma wanfa obi so a wunya
oh yeah we are not disputing that
adwuma bi wo ho no ma wanfa obi so a wunya baby wo ho no ma wuni links a wunya enti no wo say wunya obi ono no wo links na on push you what ya say enti wo a wuni links enkodada wo bi say wo links enkoji ni sika what you say
what make you say
right procedure na nipa ne befa say a memfa ne say bia memeti say e bia minimum interior minister o pe e fe ne say security service e kwan meti na kas o minimum interior minister meni ne bokosi atafre enti mam say
na grino into me ba into right procedure o kan na say o minimum interior minister na masesa misika ba
enya da korpe ne ye de kasem and enya da korpe so ne ye de padwuma
see all the time I also attribute to the fact that people are not observant enough. You see, I don't want to make this statement. I don't want to make that statement. But you see, just like you are saying, if you avail yourself, simple. If you avail yourself,
anyway,
sometimes just like I'm saying, you follow the right procedure. That's the best thing we advocate for. In as much as obi will link. Obia the best right say, oh, we will link to this. Sometimes see monitor the person from afar. Before maybe bro deal say do this deal for me. Then me I made a deal near bro no. Mean I know you so well. Me ma won't for one day and be convince me.
And come here moody. Young comache. Okosro bafem obenya nipa ba ko mienu a
ye di bedi
no
and I'm saying be about me trim I just want to say what has come into mind
momo frodi say bia ye ma manfo education
yeah
but there be nya nipa ba ko ewia no
and sometimes if you make yourself wo de ho ba ye benya
say to be try radio adwuma ye obi tie akire de in your so per radio adwuma and I'm sure say nipa no frame Kumi Kasa because manya ho kwan ba radio so Monday to Friday anopɛ na me catch and say
ubetimi anya kwan amana
obegime
edi definitely amount to be abebo bia so
we made it right
obetua
and then never say Kumi Kasa your trophy because Monday to Friday
that's what I'm saying that
what yes enti nipa no so no nim say wo links in ma definitely obetua but is we have to nipa no na
we have two different scenarios here Kumi Kasa nka because or share your YouTube now Kumi Kasa is always the host me per radio akwan so me defa Kumi Kasa because me so a radio personality I will get whatever I want into me very funny so but looking at this instance only a teacher and also a boy with immigration and national service and the person is saying that they be me but man say it's right obetimi aboa
no
you may never know who will help you in life
let not offend say interchange words this is not about offend say nipa na nye right and nipa na right it's about you doing the right thing
mama no see
obi betimi ba nya abotre
mana no see me
just like I was saying that Kumi Kasa or a radio personality on the panel otie no into the panel person of radio mo akwan Kumi Kasa is a radio personality into no when you defraud the person yes what fraud no it's wrong but on panel because the person has been seeing you as a radio personality that's why he channels that thing to you because when him say this is your field you can help me do something about it
into nipa better than say me your trophy
and I mean I say yes if you scam the person, but this one, the possibility of the person trusting you 90% because they be who they make answer because you're on radio and a radio personality and on the radio more coin.
Maybe
Green, let me finish. I made you explain yourself.
Okay.
It is our chance that opportunity, because when him said this is what you are doing, entrusted trusted say you can help me because this is your field. Let's take the teacher's case for instance, or a teacher ni manka se on timi mboa obetimi aboa but this person say obema links with Ghana Immigration Service and National Service. Taking these two scenarios Mia from where I sit now maybe me see per radio akwan and I know you are a radio personality teacher needs to obeba me with immigration. The possibility of me trusting you is higher than the trust I'll give to teacher ni manka se only links or links but how can you tell me the story?
You're a teacher.
You're a teacher and you said you want to help me with. And again, looking at the procedure you want me to put, I mean, to this amount of money to help me with that kind of. And you're basically sometimes, that's what I'm saying, you made a nice submission. When a person becomes vulnerable, I know better take advantage of the person. But again, let us also do the things the right way. We know the right way in as much as we are the new better back door. Don't make yourself a victim to that instances. Follow the right way.
Nipa na na mo say ya che omo no man kire yen kro no kwawudie na na.
The ame be kan say mami penny we ka we 63 now. Or say me ya shamu bomu di.
And say ya tanoso.
Da bi
for any minim say dia ya tu
no. Ya tu na ekun no.
And say ne ya die no. Easy and was it?
No, let me get.
Ya tu kwawu.
4 arrested. Akwawu himano. No, it's different.
It we ne we hen.
Yeah, and na ye chenko for 4 mami penyim no count 65 ye friend matter the make na o si mami penyim ai suspect amodin buy no onu so ni din wo mpem
okay is that story na ye ko
no we akwamu hini of Tanoso.
Good, that was what I was saying. Tanoso story
and the Hafo region, so the suspects who are currently in police custody are assisting with investigations. Now, Moody Amode by Isifu Ade, aka Akwesi Ade, on ready 43, Stephen Jamfi, on his Jamfi,
I think
aged 55, Augustine Ahimfo, 42, any mammy payimono, 65 years matter, Mansa, in the moon, in Kofa 9 way, in a current I shall say yes, yeah, suspect. It says yeah, and they said they've still arrested him. They are suspect as the story is saying that they are still suspect. And they are assisting police with investigation. And I could make kind of suspect. Did you?
When we are so calm. I say, Kwauno, and I name say,
incidents yes
see aku amu aboache otoso miensa say
no so me say
on dey see etu ni ache kakra
o da bi na no ya na I think say nany 2 or 3 days
yeah
send by ya koche no kra ntina me ka say bi e ho na
but you can still update the public.
Another than as a chieftaincy yeah because recently so you say ya chi obi see ye
and ya che ahemfo ntokwa ne de ya na
but it has become
that's the could be the call ana unye
o say
that's be ma we di hene wo kro
omo den sase ni na galam say
nyi ha na yet na yen right na walk car say e be say to park
what ya say sen
and it's mu ame
say me kodi hene a men sase ni na ya galam say ntime kwa eden
so you are going there for the betterment of the people not just assassinating kwa a put to about media bread go from say assassinate asem kwa and I was assassinating na go say aton assassinate dia just say untu na yin yo
one interesting story me pese ye sign ka ho asem say time nko ya
akai 1 minute
bosso tew
viral video na wo kunu ebo na yirem kire say ade we ya bohu da wura abo en ewiase ho ade a eja pa ne se oba se bi obeware be mo ye kurasini oh yes oye kura obi ye literate so ye kurasini en obi san ye illiterate san ye kurasini
and the double banga
ewiase ade a eja so ni nipa oye narcissist abuser ebetena anytime bia o ma wo dwen say wo mom now you are at fault now feel what taking advantage of you
so I think that
what is any there any kwan say you condone ni kura to the extent say nipa no ho kura apa o mom fa ne famra kwan so see any kwan say we mu di na so mo tro na no asem any ho kwan so mo tro na no asem gender minister any ministry na kasa yes
I like the fact that she said
papa time
Agnes Laimomo Latin is the gender minister or say swift justice should be
10
kuna o yeria ye oni ni ntimi nkan wo dan mo oni na ba bedwem ye guwa no and according to the story na me read here so ye che papa ni nwa no mu mienu
they prevented the guy not to post the video and said not to take offense a video no cry. What you say now will be
and video it's shock you to know say this is the first time I hear bono.
Oh yes.
Ba onu say
why when yatiafo. Yes obi de nsa fo wonu ma na ohun se wuni sia de bia de nsa befo wonu because ntumi nka no.
Na me kan o
say. What you say? Time papa mema de bia o musu o mo ayere no so wo ahode afa ko yonko be ma so na monkosi ani
that's my thing nam ye
bia aya na asem ne ya fa the person
na international airport na e be gia ma mo na ya gia ma mo fa nyam ho
e bi o mebo yen
ai te wa ho ne na mo be gu na mo hu ba bia mo ye crazy that way
ba ma na de wanya de
bako
ma ha adwene but oba ha adwene cry nye to this extent
ai because akwan wajimiana
onya correct watch wo yiri wa bontina wo gwa ne say
kita kente sa
I senses working na ye take video wo wanya ho e ka say the two siblings kwa na mo de chesa mo asem de me say me ka gre be ka say enye kana o say what's the word
eno ne yenka wo ka abufu
watch wo yiri na wo be say wa
yenka anim yedama se na no pai enkoma ahodo aba bepie mu omai mu mama yaso ate na de adwuma no ye lesen
oh kumi
adwuma no ye lesen
sorry boss na say we etie point ya me boa ye no tomorrow God willing whichever story to get we'll update you. See you.
Oh yeah, they said yeah.
Welcome to Wednesday morning. Max FM 89.7.
Alright, I'm saying yada say yanku anima na afei enkoma ahodo aka nyina no yemfa ntoa so yemfa ma ho yada busuafo na say enkoma ahodo na no pa ba bepie mo man mu abusuafo na ma yaso ate yanku anima na yene pahia ba betwetwe nkomo na yedi nkomo na watu yemfo ede afa diabetes yade ho ne yakiremu say obamade aba bepie mu ewo man Ghana ma enipa ewo Ghana yeyi emu 100% 2.7% and diabetes yadi ebi ne kire diabetes yadi na ma no e so mo ho pa opo mo diabetes yadi pa ye mamenom ene ye nuanom ema na ye kire mu nso se regional ana se region se organa Open regional diabetes yade ewo soro pa na chese western region western region ye chim say diabetes yade no ewo soro wo ho pa enti ene ye ne pahin e ba betwetwe nkomo oye ambassador edema yenuanom a diabetes yade ewo mo so diabetes yade kamia ye say masa aye yi pa enti yenkwe na yene yenua ba Lydia Frimpong entwetwe enkomo modini dwumade wo Frankel Foundation of Diabetes ana Frankfurt Foundation of Diabetics. Oh, okay. Enti Lydia Frimpong anopaye mo ache mo akwa be de ba Max FM se ohun ya anopayi.
If I show me who you pa, me mamuna chen, me chia with telephones so.
Where did he?
If I there's been disease, but me did. What time me a diabetic in tea? I don't skip meals. Me skip meal. It's me did.
Wanda Roma, we are diabetic here. Yembisa diabetes yade no eye hu ana eya na eba amanfo so ye ma menum so ana eya na mo yam hihihom ye meginawu diabetes yade ya na ebekumi wadaroma yade eba so a eye hu ekwan ba na ebetimi afa e de aso ano Lydia yenti wa no pai
me pacho diabetes yare eye hu enti edise omuyum hihihom because according to World Health Organization, every year, kumi papa essay HIV/AIDS any cancer ya can boom. Inti Arabia like a boa also more yum to show because a bit me do nya baby. ebetumi di unya bebree nti no na ɛyɛ san ya bi nso so a obetumi a prevent sɛ wunya obetumi a prevent sɛ wunya sɛ de meka na wate ase
ɛne na ɛhɔ na ɛho bɛhia yɛ mpa ɛkwan nso ɛne ɛbɛfa a yɛbɛbɔ ɛho ban ɛde afi sɛ yɛnya diabetes yadeɛ
mepakyɛw awɔ sɛ wodidi yie aduane na ɛkɔ ya no ɛna ɛde yɛ nsɛnsɛm wɔ nyinaa ɛba most of the time nti no deɛ ɛdi kan no ɛwɔ sɛ wodidi yie nti meka sɛ wodidi yie a ɛkyerɛ sɛ yɛ starchy food no ɛwɔ sɛ yɛte so nneɛma yɛdi vegetables no bebree na ɛnam nso so you stay away from nantwinam but obetumi adi fish fish nwa nti sɛ ɛnam a ahoɔden wɔ mu nti no starch food no na wate so bi a wodi banku beebi a akɛseɛ mmienu a mepatɔ te so na di baako ɛno kwampo no baako no kɛseɛ baako no koraa wobɛte so kakra na wama wo fish na wode di banku no wama na dɔɔso na wama nkuruma no nso so adɔɔso anaasɛ meko na ade bɛdi a na meko no wotwitwa tomato watwa wie no wotwitwa tomatoes ne gyeene no wama na dɔɔso wotwitwa gu green peppers bebree na wodi edi nti sɛ banku no ɛyɛ kakra na wama meko no vegetables na dɔɔso na wama fish no nso adɔɔso epakyɛw nti no edidi yie no ehia paa ɛna afei nso so ɛwɔ sɛ yɛ active yɛyɛ exercise no ehia papa also you exercise about 30 to 45 minutes every day na afei nso so wonom nsa na wogyae wosmoke a na wogyae ehia pa mpatwan
ɛnsa nom ka ho
ensanom any diabetes enko na wo pese o prevent you from getting diabetes so die ensanom so wo smoking so die
na we nyina no ka no wambo sikyire so eya na diabetes ye krom ha de ye frɛ na sikyire ya de ntina nka ye hwɛ kwan sa nka nkomodie mu sikyire bɛbɛ mu ye kyerem sɛ wudi sikyire bebre a eya na de diabetes eba enti eya na ye maame num sei o mo fruit bi te sɛ pineapple ene ne ekeka ho mo so wedi ano de dodo sikyire wom wadaroma enkomo ye da manfo tirim sɛ sikyire ene de diabetes ya de eba no enkyerɛkyerɛ mu bɛ na ho
pacha me da se o se me di kan ka sɛ yes starch food no yente so starch food no se wudi dia eduane na starch wom no ai fe ne carbohydrate no ekoyi mu jani mu a na atani into esikyire anase glucose enti etani to esikyire anase glucose na ye wo honam akwa bi e wo ye nipadua mu ye fe ne pancreas enti pancreas no inside the pancreas no ye wo cells bi a produce the hormone insulin enti se ye didi na ye carbohydrate na we aduane no ekoye mu jana etani to glucose na ye pancreas na release hormone no insulin no na aboa ama glucose no turn into energy everywhere other cells of the other cells na wo hunam yimu eno na ma yenya ya hoden e wo sam me kasa no pe ma no dendenden endo ena ahoden no eno na e ma ya hoden ma ye nante e ma ya hoden tum ye bibia enti se sa hunam akwa ni nye dwuma ye entimi produce insulin ya na glucose no ataye mu janim eno na ma diabetes no eba enti se ka se esikyire yare na eno ene diabetes like carbohydrate no ene turn into esikyire ewo ye widie ni enti se your pancreas na itimi produce enough insulin na am turn and a glucose into energy na ataye mu denim na ekoso eniema bebre enti esikyire carbohydrate
Yendi enkomo enfa Frankel Foundation for Diabetic ho eyekuo benya.
A Pacho Frankel Foundation for Diabetics, no. A could be a year who is purposely for more diabetes, any or more ebusia, and ye ba so 2018, but if 2019, ye ba ye did Duma Bebre, ye organizing diabetes education programs, ye we are near ye free health screening, ye be a medical supplies be very free, America and ever. Any cool so a star a waha, a wagana, and a star America. And ye do me dear pa, and no, ye did home or more diabetes, any or more ebusian.
Enti ade na moyema ya yenya diabetes muchiche sikama ese yemfa nkwoto adura na ase moma yaduro ana moma education efa kwan e befa so na yade abo eho ban.
Me pacho yema education pa ebiane se wama me akonya aba ofidie su anope a me kan diabetes wasem enti yema education enti ewia ye science free health screening oba ye be check umoja ye be check weight na ye check blood pressure so aha enti ye duma dia ye dipa eno no ye organ aha na ye boa amount for na ye create awareness about diabetes, because diabetes is incofonia papa baby, especially low and middle income countries, not just African countries, African any age honum kakano, a hono diabetes a D in America, diabetes a D for any Spanish for papa.
You. Niedi kaya mama baso Frankel Foundation for Diabetic momoa modebo Ghana for say mo create awareness at the fat diabetes yade ehona fe so mo medication at the fat diabetes yade ehona fe so mo san so free health screening at the ma yenu ma na say yenya diabetes yeda ma say ye boma baso ye na mo fa aduane so nka ho why mo fa aduane nka ho na mochiche aduane so yo wedi e machire kwan ne mo number ye hia mboa bi a ye mfra mo na ye nje o maso ye
with our your number 0538 571720 with our me sisubiem 0538 571720 it's prayer no more questions about diabetes it me answer
yo Madam Lydia Frimpong and pay a bedo as a Max FM your fro audience yet as a panum then what that year
Mr. Madam was a pass mamma a kunjin Madam
yo enti yene Madam Lydia Frimpong odini dwumadia wo Frankel Foundation for Diabetics and yene na twetwen komo no omoma education na the fa diabetes ya de ho face omo create awareness e kire kwan e befa so a ya bo ye ho ba dia fi diabetes ho nti ene na no pa me na ka me so omo fa aduane nka ho aha ende omo de aduane ka ho a ye nyina no ye be patu anya diabetes ni and I just want to pay me on me whom you on office. Maybe the diaco. Yo, young queen, na young fa, young street vibe, Jumadian and Twas and Fama, na young fire send me sent to a natural wagon. But before that, young could just some caution near my hood and Nebusia for the abejaso. Young fast that my mega cash lucky boss. I see and can't say, Bomadian saw before for no dial *426*8#. Network Ibia was so now selected number 2. And no Air Max Radio. Boxes ebeba and Makuma Kunsia, but money I saw Beshamuna was selected or lucky box and I saw lucky number. And Numunes Cano Titi National so. And where 5 Ghana cities near Fatoso. Shannon so say, or dial *426*8#. Nasa well who. Number 1 Max TV and now who Max Radio sign council na san senibium and come on many would uyo be our tasha Max TV ye winners ahodo ye tonsa from na ya present omo ne media mo nti wota hwe TV abeta hu pa se enye ntro na yedi na we na ya na ye de kire ni so e de ma omo ana omo ta hwe Max TV ene omo a omo ta tie Max Radio nti bomode ya se oye yen listener ode ho ebeje Mega Cash Lucky Boss dwumadi ni mu na onso wa win bi yen fast da mamas buy o se yen kan kire se buy 2 for less promotion e koso o se bomode ya bra be piem ya so ye na to ne mama akom yenu el ya so ye na essence wagina na so ato ne mama akom yenu wo ya so ye nti ye se ye te so de ama wa ya de eno ene ato ne din buy 2 for less promotion enti must buy baby abehu yen showroom bia wo no bomode ya se obebo ede awura ho na wabisa ho asem ato enema mienu na yente so emfa ma wo unya no baby ya heaven kura unya medobonsam agi se must buy yen showroom senko a nkirekyere mu bia cha ne amedia ma bomode ya so be friend 0544019552 0544019552 eno ana ye must buy ye number no enti tie ni ye
kumi yemfiri 0554 enko 0244 okay must buy chere say we slash to save na chere say we sika no o to si say hu e de ato ho no mu a chere say udi mfaso da ache pa wo se bomodia na wo phone na ekita wo no upgrade no wo use la lokwe phone na che dodo pe phone na ewo din na etimi bo adwuma che na esan so eye papa na eye phone ben a eye Infinite Hot 50 must buy for say Infinite Hot 50 ya anka ne na ye 1007 no say ya to say hu eye 1450 Ghana cedis pe Infinite Hot 50 Pro Plus ye 2240 Ghana cedis eye 1999 Ghana cedis Samsung na Infinite Smart 9 HD ya na eno nso so 1002 ni say 930 Ghana cedis pe ebia usevu sika botini 200 cedis eni echire ya wonum echire say we slash to save wo beto sa phone ya mabobo so ya no kwasem ni ebebo adwuma ache yie papa ebia mu nso koto refrigerator AC anase 50-inch TV na anu nso nya free kettle sa enhihye yi wonum afri sa bre ya akopie mu bosumi ya ewo mineda etwato eninti Madina Zongo Junction ye wo ho community 1 eno nso ye wo ho Junction Mall eno nso ye wo ho West Coast Mall ye wo ho Circle VVIP station ho eno nso ye wo ho Telecel opposite eno nso so ye wo ho Odo Rice ye sanso wo 6 shops okra wo ho La Paz ye wo ho no mo sanso na ka so Atakradi station ye wo ho ya ye wo ha ya ye kese Dakuma Junction eno nso so ye wo ha sei aniti bomodi ana be pie mu e wo mia mabobo so yi na beji wo Infinite phone ni bi na woji wo Infinix phone no na chere se woji wo AC ene wo TV ena fe refrigerator ya sande kettle api wo so aka ho Fremas buy e was 05440 19522 05440 19522 and 0594 091122 must buy say we a promotion cry a cost to a chese a ahwefo ene atofo hu donti eni nti ayate to see a slash to save bomodiana bopini must buy and as a bibia nso so akwo mo website www.mustbuy.com.gh must buy say shop at mustbuy.com.gh kumi
yo yada say yanku anim na yemfa yen street vibe dwumade na to aso emfa ma na no yenkomo no etiawa ye bisa se ye kasa awade pa ede ene awade pa eya pempi ni yetate yesi o be ma de ye nyankopo ahira no be ma yakwa awade pa etimi kasa ye nua ba de anitia ye o wanya awade pa sɛ yɛkasa awadepa ɛdeɛ na awadepa yɛn kurom ha ansa na wobɛhu sɛ yɛkasa obi akɔ awadepa no na kyerɛ sɛ ne kunu ɛsikani ne kunu ɛwɔ agyapadeɛ ne kunu asisi dan ne kunu agye din yɛsɛ yie yɛde hyie deɛ ne tia yi o wanya awadepa yɛkasa obi akɔ awadepa wɔ kurom ha kumi ne yere na abusuafoɔ nyinaa wɔ aburokyire ɛka asa ahodoɔ mɛsɛ ne papa yɛ president ne yere ne papa yɛnua deɛ nyankopɔn aboa no wanya awadepa yɛn kurom ha ɛne na awadepa wa wotie me ɛwɔ wa wadwendwen mu sɛ yɛka sɛ obi anya awadepa ɛdeɛ ne awadepa ɛdeɛ ɛna yɛ awadepa yɛtwa homrɛ kɔba ne yɛma ho kwan na wakyerɛ wadwene yɛ numbers no yɛ 0550055522 anaasɛ 0551 598321 yɛba sisi ana yɛbua hama na ma na wakyerɛ wadwene yɛba sisi a
Mensa Kamekao!
Now what saw dear?
Hey, Charlie, what's it? Imagine buying your favorite gadget and driving home a sleek saloon car.
Oh, yes. With Max Buys You Shop, You Drive promo, every purchase brings you closer to amazing prizes.
Just shop any product from Max Buy between 7th November to 31st December
and stand a chance to win a sleek saloon car, TVs, smartphones, and more. Your next buy could make you a winner.
So what are you waiting for? Shop now and let's make your dream drivable with Max Buy.
Max Buy. You shop, you drive.
For further enquiries, call Max Buy on 054 401 9552. Terms and conditions apply. Approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana.
This Saturday and every Saturday on Max 89.7 FM. Connect with your school. Which school has produced the brightest mind? What is your school renowned for? Find out as high schools and colleges go head to head, vying for bragging rights and glory. Don't miss this chance to witness history in the making. Join us for an unforgettable morning of respirited debate and fierce competition. Presec Secondary School, 7 times winners. Omo producing NASA Intelligent.
Atomic Energy Commission Okrumano. Omo yede wo.
Kwani ko presec can say go up.
Kumasi High School, Truth Conquest. Yan can say Truth Conquest.
Truth Conquest. When St. Augustine is talking about Adisade is talking about the best is always good for Adisade. And then St. Augustine perseverance conquest on truth is what? Then
Truth Conquest. Mo persevere, mo yedeyo. It's truth that conquers at long last.
School Connect. Link up with your former mates and be part of your school once again. Schools Connect. Be part of the competition.
Are you frustrated by late deliveries? When you're professional, no one install with AC and TV and the insurance kura is a deal kesi every Max Buy abba. Better TVs, ACs, refrigerators, any washing machines, and Max Buy. Now enjoy free delivery and a professional installation within 24 hours, all within Accra and Tema at the comfort of your home. I send you absolutely free delivery and installation. Order online now at maxbuy.com.gh or visit selected Max Buy outlet to start shopping. For more details, call us on 054 401 9552.
What a guan, me conscious brethren. Your favorite roots rock reggae tunes with inspirational vibes. Reggae Max on Max 89.7 with DJ NY comes your way every week, Mondays to Fridays, 12 noon on Max 89.7 FM. Reggae Max, feel the natural mystic flow in the airwaves right into your VAs. What?
Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae. 'Cause reggae's
89.7 we'll rock. Max FM, what do you kita say?
Kumi kasa eye baako pɛ edin no eye baako pɛ menkɛsene kwasi ada untumi fa duadan so untumi fa bladan so kumi ututu ka ututu dam ututu tam waje bam watu fie watu bum watu todan obaje bam betu ka kumi kasa that the TM state governor ebe shew
Maji wedi tina me dane di wunji di misi bisa ko ofi wona me fe eleti so bi pe be aka echika me di ochame kwame utie Max Morning Dew ewo Max FM koswa fili masaya se
Welcome to Wednesday morning.
And crack, I want the party of one Ubenya. I'm Shayamu Akwaba and from Max 89.7 Max Morning. The one was Sugusu Uti and I find out a feeding at Yamu Akwaba. Your friend Kumikasa. Yes, I see no panu, see a quacosi on Crumber boy, and you made any opportunity Max Morning deal. About Kwame that you had a cosifia than a panu, see a cosiano pan on Chrome. It's not see an aya and Yaman Kwame, the beautiful green or DJ Holly, your producer from Mr. Bobby. And then it do a feeding at Yamu Akwaba, but Madia so back home. I'm not so say a day and sweet Jumadian Betwas so at the man and common yetia, why you besides says, yeah, Casso be a qua what the pa. And now say, Ubianya what the pa, Edia now what the pa. One cassa, your man who quina or dream home near say, Ubianya what the pa, Ubiaqua what the pa, Edia now what the pa. Edia na ya what the pa. See a casse, Ubiaqua what the pa to see as you yen na what dear when ya dear, oh, yen ye, when ya what the pa. Edia now what the pa. Yen ye a man for Virginia. Omo ewa dwempa ho ensi nchen medical catcher ye nkrom ha de ye hu so bi enya wadepa na asase te so bi enya wadepa na che so be ma onya no na busuafo wo ska na se be ma na ye sikani be ma na ye adwuma pa onu omo ye adwene ana se won so wo nkirekire mutu se ye ka so bi enya wadepa sa de be kwa hama no so ye nkwa na ye nje the beautiful green adwenkire e de fa ye nkomo ho ye wi na fe ya ma ho kwan na wabamu na yentie wadwenche wo yenkomo ho green akwa ba bi mo
ejo so mini abema
se
Once na anu kasa no mesi ahode ne nhye de ne ho nti se de donation ne bebe bia tie for fanesa on se ye kase obi anya wade pa me madwene mu de de ani wa hunu ani ne ani watua ene ye di ho adanse enti se wo bi kase wo bi anya wade pa me de mi susu ni ne medwene ene se nipa na setina mu a ya na empempe ne esesa from tibia dada no eba tibia mono ya eye positive no ene ye kase wanya aware pa because utimi ehwe wo bi su ene na braba wonamu ewa wade ase atim se a we de wankra yie enye but wo hwe obi nso kura na afa ma wo kon wado so kura nso so waware kura besa ware bi mu aka ho esan se wo hwe ni nipadua no kura kita no kura after say o ware ye no a utimi hu se niam akoyie ma no enti nipa no ne niye eye baako na husuo eye baako ne ntade hyem eye baako se de osi efa no ho fa na ho siesie ma menka ne saa ene maye hu se nipa asimasi wanya awade pa ana nipa asimasi oti awade pa ase enti kumi me de awade pa de no kwasem ni wo hwe nipa no na husuo ene na ho siesie a etimi ma wo hu se nipa asimasi wanya awade pa
the beautiful green yeda se ene wadwenkyira odi aboa yenkomo yenkwa hama ne so na abusuafo wo fie emramu na omonkyiro madwene se kaso bi anya wade pa ede ene wade pa 0550055522 ana se 0551598321 0550055522 okay 0551598321 yenkwa hama ne so na ene abusuafo wo fie atwetwe komo pacho hwan yo
Bumi, good morning.
Yes sir.
Apo mo e.
Eho adom na nso e.
Nyame adom obi aho e. Yo, honorable Dickerson in the matter.
Honorable Dickerson.
Ah.
Yes, sir.
Honorable.
And I am first caller, and so I am first caller.
Honorable.
Yes, madam.
Udi wa makumia nya asem aka pa utimi sesa na kakra ma ya
oh edian
kaye
no
ne Ghana card so edian da so
bitimi sana ta meeting
say edian we na o Ghana card so meboa
kumia no na wo
honorable Dickerson ma yentie wa no pay Dickerson yentie
asemu
yo kumi mi da se sede mu ka no aware pa ye ka so obi anya aware pa ye nipa ye wo nipa ni so no de e dia wata de semu ukọ no bam na we be ka so anya aware pa but to me no wo me ma jim ni de nipa se wo atumje wa aware mu enu mum na kire so anya aware pa se onya atade ni bibia ni niema bia ohia na se konko fie na woni atumje a eni aware na enye papa wasumjo na ukọ na oba obedru fie na wasumje enu na kire so anya aware pa me ma jin no
yo Honorable Dickerson and pay yeda say or say so wasum bio or wadi asia and one na ya wade pano 0550055522 and I say 05515983 and pacho when you
good morning.
Yes sir.
Bra kwame
Bidin chef you ready is wadi mama
ya joso pa
Edia mebra kai no ye ka so bi na awofa aye normal dem e do so be obi o ha o hwe bi bia woti o hwe bi bia wofi ansa na wo ko sa panfanya sa awale pan obi tumi nya ni sa ba ne ho nya de ento no aye normal be free ada se oba no busia no sika wo ana bema no ikuti sika wo yeva ne sisia yeva ne se isi obi wale a ohwe bema no busia sika wo ma ono na eta wale bema no na be wale wo ba no enti be bia oba no hwu se be bia sika no wo no obeko bisa se ahunto ewo ho mini blade ene ni ile bema no busia ne sika wo ba oba no busia ne sika ni but I won't say friend I won't turn or my brother won't turn no they be out of Friday, they never darika. Not just say I will learn or call Wally, one young man no better turn one man won't turn it. Obi or call Wally we need it now so a man won't turn okay or your normal because in sense we need it in trauma one who of our Sunday said your bed or better now Waliana. I'm going to say I won't talk. Mr. Majisre no.
You, Black Kwame, Block Factory and pay yada say any wadwenchira wode aboa ye dwumadie yi. Enti yada say any wadwenchire and pay Black Kwame so chim say ahoto ehu hia pa. Pacho when ye?
Good morning, Atamasini.
You atani o tema wahu.
Tema.
You. Atana pay enti o.
Mr. Kumi, then you need to say, and so what? Oh, yeah, work a crack.
A jata kana kabio. Mr. Dickerson was a one wine stew.
You come over the body cup on the press. Hey, overheard you.
Kumi, from her, for her.
I could be but you may come out of the Yamu first. And the matter to my dear friend will be but I may come out of the oh, you done. I can't. I will far. Can't happen to go and it will be one year. Or buy a be a whiskey, and a demo whiskey. I will be a one. And yes, I will pass. Never, few more. The course war, I will penny moon. Me, this is one gas war. You go, so, Bema, maybe I will not buy a cover sickney. Oh, in so crowd the bomb one of cram for Ayadi. Into a which may be one cat and 20 of an hour panel. To a more yellow independent soup. Nasana of the yellow to be another few more in the dear, and the and Yajuma, so this guy our part. When you see guys, it's at our castle, near the F our part. No more two, let's if you want man. Yeah, cost one and your with my damage and watch.
You, Atamax, our Tamana pay, yada say, enti ubetimi abamu na wabo na yenkomo yi adimu anopa ye bisa se kase oba na se be ma bi akwa wade pa ewo wa won kirekire mu no awade pa oti ahye sense ye kase obi akwa wade pa oti ahye sen ye number ne ye 0551 598321 ana se 0550 522 0551 598321 and I say 055 522. See, I can say Obi Ako Awadepa. Otia she saying, Ediana Yawadepa. Ediana, a year Awadepa. Yen fan once dama mega cash lucky box. So say Bomodi say Obefa phone wa dial star 426 star 8 hash. Na fan ho jim ye mega cash jumadi na ekoso emfa ho network bi a woso enti obe select number 2 Max Radio enu achi box se beba makoma kunsia wa select o lucky box na what the 5 Ghana cedis ni akire dia to so enu mu ena scan wo mo boa ya no pai ma ye de ye street vibe jumadi no ebrew anopa yen kwa hamane so na yene abusuafo entoa enkomo no eso 0550 055 522 ana se 0551 598321 anopa ye bisa se ka se obi anya wadepa ana se obi akọ awadepa ede ne awadepa medical ka yenkromu ha obi kwa wade na bema no ba na busuafo o kasa hodo de omo ho wa burochire si ye nua ba de ni tia ye o wakwa wadepa no ana wadepa ya da bia ye kan ana se awade papa bi e ho busuafo ahodo abom chim se awadepa de enu ana sumdwe enu ana sumdwe enti bramuna anapai yensua de 0550055522 0551 598321 All right, I'm saying I'm na yen try and common so 0550055522 Pacho when you
Rasho, good morning.
Yes sir, Udin baby Afrefi.
Pacho me de Beneza me free Dakuma official town.
Ebe neza nyame adomara yo Ebeneza yentio.
Semitilia amanfo kana awarepa oh nanso ewo because mpenifo krasi me yan waye musu because obi anim bia obi anya ni sika free enti say awarepa onye bia enso nanso because obeko obi nu anya awarepa enso obeko fienu na asumdi eni fienu nti sɛ unya asomdwe a ɛne anigye a ɛne ne awarepa no medamase
yo yima yeda se yima kyerem sɛ unya asomdwe ɛne ahotɔ oh ɛno a na ya wadepa no ɛnyɛ sika ne ya na yɛ tanhu no obi wɔ hɔ a ne kunu wɔ sika paa de nyere wɔ sika ɛnso bɛkɔ ne ebirim no ma tum sɛ yes wokɔ na bɛma esu a ye yɛrade bema timi supa mombra mama mi kumeyere ye be kona bema no na dafam e na oba no ete no so akese ye birim ni se ya enso opia bonten a mekofa ga bi ne ye friend Jennifer me ne na ma na me fans papa kokko 10 gram sei bitimi je fans say kwamna ga idie no adesa birim no birim no enso me na mabontia fans pa Yo, young na yentoa yen common so. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir. Why?
Oh,
Eja Frank yachi heya. Una pama de no.
Because
oh, eya metwamu ho, eya metwamu ho.
okay.
Eya utati empa, me hu se uti empa, metwamu achi ho pa. Me hu na nye fenti na eya metwamu amintimi mfa me hu metere. Eya me hu se uti empa.
Oh, nipa bia ho fe, nipa bia ho fe.
Yo Frank yentio.
Me so me de kakra me pesa kan se de minian ma kire nyina no kre. But ade ba ku so he friend no entiase. Entiase o montema. Ebi o ho, ebi ni ho. Moten ho ase eno de asuvie ba. Ene man eno so ka odopa no aka ho di.
Yo. Yenso yeda se pa Frank akire mu se entiase. Entiase se mo wa wade ase na mote mo ho ase eno a na yodopa no entiase na na hia 0550055522 and I said 0551598321 0551598321 0550055522 ye bi se ka so bi akwa wade pa ede na ya wade pa wote ase sen ede na ya wade pa na okay, all right. Yenwe we na memfa we ntu aso emfa. Hello, when you?
Hello.
Ye when?
Mpacho fama Adwabayaw.
Adwabayo.
Mpachan.
Oya ba na bema.
Mpacho me bema.
Adwabayaw.
Adwabayaw.
Yo, wadaru ma ofre finfa.
Me free so utum.
Yo, when you no pay so utum na yentio.
Kasa warpa. On se nua no matitim bebre. Ani suo no, se ne Ghana ha ye kire no. Ampa obi o sika, oba na busia o sika, be ma no awabrotire, ene ne keka ka ho. But se ne aminu bi be kan no, se o wa wade mu pa na okofia. Obi okọ opon a, so obekofie kura asem. Otimi kwahye ba bi saa, ko so okofie ntem a, onye nji. Nti so especially me my obitima kwahye ba bi ato da me saa kwahye ball saa na du ko so koya na okoda ebitimi kura fa chiri ba bi kodidi obafia woni di omo ano ho akoda obakọ no bo so ba hye ayi ni kapa jense bo ho ba ye nan na ode ada ye menya awadepa any say awade ni sika wom fine good sika no wom na sunje wom a that is perfect but sika wom na sunje ni mo a enya awadepa sika nim na sunje wom a ayawadepa nti awadepa ne de ejina wo ma niam mienu to that is mean so maje kire no
yo Adwabayaw anopai yeda se ene wadwenche nimdi a wode aboa yendwumadie yi enti yemfa 3 course enka ho na yemfa frɛ dwumadie no ensi na enkoma ewe akire no yemfa nto aso emfa ma ho 0551 598321 and I said 0550055522 and I pay din company abisa say kasa wa de pa e de na ya wa de pa momwa ya mu nkyerɛkyerɛ mu na yɛ sɛ awa de pa ne nya bia na sɛ au